Hi there, I'm Justin from the Book Like a Boss team, and I'm excited to announce that you can now add taxes as a separate line item during checkout for your products and services. To give you an example, let's say we take this one-on-one coaching product. I'm going to click Edit, and you'll see now that you have a tax line. You can add tax as either a percentage or a flat amount. For example, set a rate of 10% and label it VAT, then make sure you scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. Now let's take a look at how that looks on a booking page. Pick a day and time, and you can see your 10% VAT is automatically added, bringing the total to $165. Another useful feature is the ability to add other fees, like a delivery or shipping fee. Just add it in as a flat amount, for instance, $10 for shipping, then scroll down, click Save, and it will appear on the checkout page along with the tax. This is especially helpful for users in regions like Europe where itemized taxes are required. The confirmation email will also include a breakdown of any taxes or additional fees you've added. This new feature helps streamline your checkout process, ensures compliance with regional tax laws, and gives your customers a transparent, professional billing experience.